Yeah. Come on, you know what it is. You know who it is. It's your boy, ScumOn. We're jumping straight. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to subscribe. You know what I'm saying? You know the thing. You know what to do in the comments. Leave who you want me to react to, man. Or what you want me to react to. Anything, anyone, it's all good. And I do it on first impression as well. So it's not like I watch it, then react. I react off the jump. If I've seen it already and someone requests it, I'll let it be known, but I'll still react. You get what I'm saying? Sorry if I sound a bit blocked up. My nose is all blocked. Don't know why. Fuck it though. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, man. Shit can't stop my grind. You get what I'm saying? But yo, roll to 1K as well. So you know what I'm saying? Hit that subscribe button, man. You know what I'm saying? But yo, we're going to get into this one, man. I want to send a big shout out to Mr. Ernie Banks. Mr. Ernie Banks. I did that last time, you know. Mr. Ernie Hanks. Salute. You know what I'm saying? So I got one for you, Pistol. Life of a Demon. So we're going to get into this one here. I see in the title it's got Gmebe. Ain't that, is that the same clique that Bands was from? I think he got murdered by some Donnies or some shit like that. But yeah, nothing new, innit? So this is Chicago. And I noticed this was about 7 years ago. So I met my man, I don't even want to say it, but I hope he's not. But he's probably passed away. Them Chicago rappers don't really last too long. You know what I'm saying? It's fucked up, but it's truth. But yo, so we're going to get into this man here, man. This is Pistol. This is Life of a Demon, man. This is, I'm gathering, I don't know yet. Well, I'm gathering this is that Chicago shit because I kind of recognize that Gmebe. But yeah, let's just get into this one and see what this is saying, man. Let's go.
I see so much shit in these streets. Ain't no control over East. We go to war with police. I lost niggas due to this beef. So it ain't no calling peace. Fire can't ever be seized. There's niggas that work with ceasefire with me. Murder.
I recognise his face. And I know he's still got the little 808 rolls on there as well. Come on, man. I'm saying ahead of the game side. You know? But yeah, now that's clean. Still, I recognise his face as well still. But yeah, let's get it.
Me with the G, that's Gmebe. Got some boys from the creek, Lil Greg and Lil Matt, plus me, that's the G to the draw. Bitch, I'm a shooter, I'm a baller. You niggas on the bitch and I'm the starter. I'm locking niggas out the gym like Carter. Bitch, I'm cutting up like the barber. I'm the Jesus of the sea. You would think I walk the water. I'm getting older by the years, but my days getting shorter. Got the heart of a lion, head harder. Cause I ain't never follow orders. My hands dirty, it's the South. And they ain't never been to Georgia. I travel every moment with my daughter. Cause I don't know if I'ma see her grow up. Jamar Black say I need to slow up.
You know what's mad as well, you know? Man's taking him in, you know? I know a lot of people listening to this say he's talking some gangster shit. He's talking some gangster shit. But he's talking some real shit, like he knows what's going on the road. Like what time it is out here, you know? Like, it can happen at any time. That's why he's saying he don't even know if he's going to see his daughter grow up. He don't like... Game's ugly, man, but let's get it.
Drinking lean make me slow up. I never paid attention to the teacher. I went to church but never listened to the preacher. Love God, but I'm a motherfucking demon. In the dirt that I did, I had a motherfucking reason. And I still leave blood bleeding. Take away the air, nigga breathing. And I don't fuck with no vice niggas. Nigga, you a lord, I'm a demon. So burn the slow, smoking eat.
Guess he's got beef with the Vice Lords. Let's get it.
And it's 17 in that Nina. Plus it came with a beamer. And I'm on the field till I miss Selena. I talk to Scotty when I'm feeling some type of way. And Scotty got me feeling some type of way. Speed through traffic without the right of way. Steady wishing for brighter days. Nigga, tie your shoes while you tripping. Cause you ain't even knowing what I'm gripping. Alcoholic nigga, what you sipping? Take this 40 to the head, no lip. I don't need niggas like yourself. And I don't need bitches either. I got money and guns, little nigga. Do you get the motherfucking picture? You won't with me when I start, nigga. So don't come inside the kitchen while I eat, nigga. You ain't chill with me in the seat, nigga. So you can't chill with me on the beach, nigga. Nigga, I'm the gift and the curse. And I'm still the same.
Smack, I'm looking at the video. I'm saying, I wonder if I've recognised any of the guys. I don't recognise none of the guys in the video. Like, are any of these guys rappers? Or are they dead? Or are they in jail? Where's Pistol, man? I want to know. But yeah, let's get it.
Since birth, ain't gon' change till they put me in a hearse. If the shit wasn't true, I wouldn't put it in a verse. Came up in cribs. By any means I had to get. I was doing anything for that money. That's the life a nigga living. I lost a lot of niggas from the sea. And the whole hood missing. So we pop bottles for the niggas that they gonna put money on the books for them niggas up in prison. That's some real shit. Damn, I miss my motherfucking niggas. But here's a message for them niggas that we missing. Hold your head if you gotta say it. And if you got killed, the nigga did it coming with you. This shit I'm saying making niggas think about it. And real niggas can relate to it. Ain't no way around it. But these niggas still trying to get through it. Pistol about that action, they ain't ducking. Cause I was on the block when niggas wasn't. I lost a lot of family to the shit. I lost a sister, lost a brother and a cousin. If you know me, then you know I ain't bluffing. I ain't really with the fussing. If it's
yeah, my man's sick with it still. Obviously, this is old as well, so I'm obviously, you know what I'm saying. You gotta judge it for the time it came out. You know what I'm saying? But this is clean, man. This is that real drill shit as well. This is that hard, raw. You know what I'm saying? Like, kind of where I listened to it a little bit before, but it was like the beat game was a little bit the same, you know, the pianos, the keys and shit. But yo, other than that, this is clean, man. I'm fucking with this still. I wanna light this shit up, man. But yeah, let's go, let's get it.
Nigga, we'll go to war with the Russians. I ain't never been a bitch, nigga. Sleep dissing on me a death wish, nigga.
My man said I'll go to war with the Russians. I mean, that's brave. Because you just say you don't give a shit. But shit. Certain motherfuckers, you just leave them motherfuckers alone. Telling you, crazy. Let's go.
Me and 40 on the hit, nigga. Take a nigga name right off the list, nigga. Stone to the bone, can't flip, nigga. 30 in this chrome on my hip, nigga. Katie, I was taking trips, nigga. OT tryna make the work flip, nigga. Came up on Burley Street. In the buildings where them killers be. And I don't fuck with no fake niggas. If you a real nigga, then you feeling me. South Sea to the gray, nigga. Jip land, Campbell Hoods, got a gang, nigga. Through the real Shayla City where I hang, nigga. Roadblock, I can never change, nigga. Actually 10 years later with the same niggas. If a nigga bang, we'll bang with him. 10 years later with the same niggas. If a nigga bang, we'll bang with him. South Sea to the gray, nigga. Jip land, Campbell Hoods, got a gang, nigga. Through the real Shayla City where I hang, nigga. Roadblock, I can never change, nigga. Catch me 10 years later with the same niggas. If a nigga bang, we'll bang, nigga. Catch me 10 years later with the same niggas. If a nigga bang, we'll bang with him. Gang.
Yeah, man. He went in, man. That was clean, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. Shout out Ernie Hanks for that, man. That was clean. Gmebe Pistol Laugh with Deem, and the link will be in the description. I like the beat as well. The beat was mad when I was really praying it, because it was like drill, but then it had like the wah wah wah. That was like a dubstep kind of sound in it. Yeah, man. That was clean still. That was clean. I ain't gonna lie, that was clean. So, yeah. Link in the description. If you like some of that old school shit, go run that up, man. Stop messing about. You know what I'm saying? But yo, with that being said, I'm gonna keep stepping, try to get a couple more done. You know what I'm saying? Because it is what it is. But yo, peace.